In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 ETF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find an ETF on Plus500 and place a buy or sell order with confidence, whether you're on the web trader or the mobile app. First, open Plus500 and log into your account using the web trader in your browser or the official app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're comfortable with the risks of trading, especially if you're switching from a demo to a real money account. Plus500 often offers CFDs on ETFs, so what you trade may be a contract tracking the ETF's price rather than the underlying fund itself. That means leverage, spreads, and overnight funding can apply, so it's smart to review the instrument details before you proceed. Once you're in, head to the trade section or simply use the search bar at the top. The search tool is the fastest way to get where you need to go, and it works the same across devices. Type the ETF name or its ticker symbol into the search field. For example, you could enter SPY for a popular U.S. equity ETF, GLD for a gold-focused fund, or QQQ for a tech-heavy index ETF. Be precise with the ticker to avoid similar instruments, and check the market hours displayed so you know when pricing is most active. From the search results, select the ETF you want. This opens the instrument page. Here, you'll see the live chart, the buy and sell prices, the spread, and key information such as leverage, margin requirements, and any overnight funding details. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right ETF and to scan the chart timeframe that suits your approach, from minutes to days. Next, decide your direction. Choose. Buy if you think the ETF's price will rise, or sell if you expect it to fall. This is a core advantage of CFDs. You can go long or short based on your outlook. Now, enter your trade amount or size. You can usually input the monetary amount or adjust the number of units. Keep an eye on the margin impact, displayed on the ticket, as well as your available funds. You'll also see optional risk controls like stop loss and take profit. Setting them can help manage potential losses and lock in gains, though they're not guaranteed under all conditions. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. Your order will be placed at the available price, and you'll see the position reflected in your account. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and efficient for trading ETFs on Plus500.